Hello everyone, we are back and we are doing our mini project on dictionary, our first mini project. I think it's consume more time than I predicted, but it's good. You need to learn more about this. After we add a change name, we need to add a function to change grade. We just here copy that and paste it here, and we easily align it, and we say it here change grade. Change a student grade. Great. Okay. Now we have it. We need to copy this, paste it here. Let's say here, write a comment changing the name, and here the comment changing the grade. Okay, what we should do is everything like the else. We should change this to change grade, and please enter student number, new grade, and please enter a new grade, and then a student ID, we put grade here, and then a student ID, grade here again, and new grade. Okay, print the grade. A has changed to new grade. Let's run it and test it. Okay, add a student 1 Sarah grade. What the grade we should put? For example, 56. Change grade. Okay, name Sarah, student ID 1, change grade to 90. And when we say view, the student Sarah and grade is 90. Our function has worked as well as possible. Now let's go to see what our mini project wants from us. We take a lots of time. Let's say student grade tracker, create a program that tracks student grades. Allow user to add, update, and view grades for each student. Okay, we create all the functions that the project needed. I copied that line of code and I'm going to paste it for you at the end of this lesson. It's a complete code that we have. I'm going to put it in the comments for you. If you want, you can copy that, or in the Git or GitHub, or if you want in a Telegram channel, I put the code file for you to use it. But this is the end of our first mini project on dictionary. What is our next mini project? It's about phone book. Create a simple phone book application where user can add, remove, and search contract. But we are not going to do that. We are going to resume our course and do more things before going to that problems. Okay, until the next video, don't forget to like and subscribe and ask me if you need anything in the comments.